Direct question. Did he call you? Indirect question. I wonder if or whether he called you. Direct question. What time did you leave for New York by flight yesterday? Indirect question. Could you tell me what time you left for New York by flight yesterday? Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you here again and thank you very much for just learning English in this channel. In this video, I would like to explain what a direct question and indirect question are and how to use them. A direct question is a question directed at someone to obtain the desired information. Direct question ends with a question mark. There are two kinds of direct question, namely a question with a question word and a question without a question word, which commonly called interrogative, or a question which is answered with yes or no. Look at the examples below. Questions with question words. Number 1, what is your name? 2, how many times have you visited the destinations? 3, what time did you leave for New York by flight yesterday? 4, how much money have you spent for the building construction? 5, what language do you speak in USA when you meet your friends from the same country? And then question without question words. Number 1, do you speak English here? 2, are you American? 3, can you tell me the way to the nearest hotel here? 4, have you ever been to abroad? 5, is he a politician? An indirect question is a polite way of asking for information by embedding a direct question within a statement or another question, often beginning with phrases as follows. Could you tell me blah blah blah? I wonder blah blah blah. Do you know blah blah blah? Do you want to know blah blah blah? Etc. Now sentence pattern structure. Direct question with question word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus object. Question mark. Direct question without question word or interrogative or yes/no question. Sentence pattern. Auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus object. They typically change the word order from a question to an affirmative sentence, removing auxiliary verb. Removing auxiliary verb like do and using if or whether for yes or no questions, and over and with a period of question mark depending on their structure. Look at the examples. Number 1, direct question. What's your name? Indirect question. Could you tell me what your name is? 2, direct question. Did he call you? Indirect question. I wonder if or whether he called you. 3, direct question. How many times have you visited the destination? Indirect question. Could you tell me how many times you have visited the destinations. 4. Direct question. What time did you leave for New York by flight yesterday? Indirect question. Could you tell me what time you left for New York by flight yesterday? 5. Direct question. Are you American? Indirect question. Excuse me. Could you tell me if or whether you are American? 6. Direct question. How much money have you spent out for the building construction? Indirect question. I want to know how much money you have spent out for the building construction. 7. Direct question. What language do you speak in USA when you meet your friends from the same country? Indirect question. Do you mind telling me what language you speak in USA when you meet with your friends? When you meet your friends from the same country? 9. Direct question. Have you ever been to abroad? Indirect question. I wonder if or whether you have ever been to abroad. 10. Do you know the way to the nearest hotel from here? Indirect question. The foreigner wants to know if or whether you know the way to the nearest hotel from here. Exercise number 1. Direct question. What is your phone number? Indirect question. Could you tell me what your phone number is? 2. Direct question. Do you understand what I'm speaking in English? Indirect question. I wonder if or whether you understand what I am speaking in English. 3. How long does it take from here to the train station? Do you know how long it takes from here to the station? 4. Direct question. Have you ever gone to USA? Indirect questions. Can you tell me if or whether you have ever gone to USA? 5. Direct question. What are they doing now? Indirect question. Could you tell me what they are doing now? Well, thank you very much for your attention. See you next time in a different topic. Bye bye.